Hello makers! Let's make some Minecraft diamond earring studs! Continuing from the last video, I'm using stickers that I printed on vinyl paper because it is water resistant. The materials we will be using are tape, silicone square mold thing, a UV light, some gloves, a black marker, stud earring bags, and the ear stud parts. For the resin, I like the silicone pointer. It can pick up drops of resin and it pushes it around. Here is the UV resin I got off Amazon. I like it because it's a higher quality than some of the others, and it cures in about 4 minutes. I like to make sure my stickers are cut out correctly, and then I run a black marker around the edges. We're making a 2D image into a 3D image, so the edges really do matter. Ignore this big diamond sticker. I was testing it and ended up failing because it was too big. Now I'm going to add the backs to the stickers. I put them face down on the silicone thing and I put a few drops of resin on them. Make sure you wear gloves anytime the resin is in its liquid form. Then I place the studs where I like them and add some UV. Then I put another coat of resin to cover the backs of the sticker. This is important because every part must be covered with resin. I go all the way up to the edges and then I double check. Add UV and it's looking good. For the front, I like to tape them to my silicone mold thing. This gives me a nice platform to work from, and I can get the edges of the earrings. Same method as before, I put some resin on the top and I make sure it's enough to cover the entire sticker, encasing it within the resin. This is why getting the size is so important. Next, I use a torch to pop any air bubbles. Heat helps thin out the resin and allows the air to escape. Here's when I give up on the bigger one. It's way too bowed. I'm going to add another coat of UV resin on top of the studs so they're even stronger. Wow, these look so cool! I do have a stronger UV light that I use for the Resin 3D printer. I always run my UV resin projects through that for about 6 minutes to make sure they are fully hardened or cured. Here's the size. I went from a thickness of paper to almost 3 millimeters in depth. These should be strong enough for me to wear to work. I love testing out the new earrings. I love these earrings. They turned out better than I expected. More resin projects are coming soon. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching.